You meditate every day, practice Qigong, do Tai Chi, but you still feel exhausted, scattered, like something fundamental is missing.
Here's what nobody tells you. All Taoist practice is built on three foundations, three treasures that determine your energy, your clarity, your entire life force.
The Chinese call them the Sanbao, the three treasures. Today, you're learning exactly what they are, how they work together, and how to cultivate each one. This is the foundation of everything. Welcome to episode 31 of the Advanced Practice series. We've covered Tai Chi warm-up, internal principles, and proper alignment. Now we go to the root, the three substances that make up your life force itself.
In the last 3 episodes, we talked about how to move, how to stand, how to hold your body. But why do we do all this? What are we actually cultivating? The answer: Jing, Qi, and Shen, the 3 treasures.
Before we dive in, if these advanced teachings are serving your practice, please like this video and subscribe. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss any episodes in this series. We're building towards something profound here.
Thank you. Now let's talk about the 3 treasures.
Every single Taoist practice, meditation, Qigong, Tai Chi, herbalism, sexual cultivation, diet, sleep, all of it serves one purpose: to cultivate and balance your 3 treasures.
If you don't understand Jing, Qi, and Shen, you're practicing blindly. You might be doing the forms correctly, but missing the entire point.
Today, you'll understand exactly what you're cultivating and why.
The 3 treasures: Jing, essence; foundation, battery; Qi, energy, vitality, current; Shen, spirit, consciousness, light.
They're not separate. They're connected. They transform into each other. They're 3 expressions of the same life force at different levels of refinement.
Let me explain each one clearly.
First treasure, Jing. Usually translated as essence, but that doesn't capture it. What is Jing?
Think of Jing as your battery. It's the dense, stored, foundational energy you're born with. It's your constitutional strength, your reserves. In Western terms, it's related to your genetic inheritance, hormones and reproductive essence, bone marrow, brain matter, your fundamental vitality. When babies are born with strong Jing, they're robust, healthy, grow well. When they're born with weak Jing, they struggle from day one. Where is Jing?
Jing is stored in the lower dantian, your lower abdomen, about 3 finger widths below your navel and deep inside. It's also in your kidneys. In Chinese medicine, the kidneys are the root of life because they house your Jing.
The Jing metaphor.
Imagine you're born with a battery that's 80% charged. That's your pre-heaven Jing, what you inherited from your parents. Every day, you use some of that battery. When you stress, when you overwork, when you don't sleep, when you have sex without awareness, when you burn the candle at both ends. You can also recharge the battery through deep rest, through certain herbs, through Qigong, through proper breathing, through conserving sexual energy.
But the core inherited battery slowly depletes over your lifetime.
When it's empty, you die. That's why Jing cultivation is about longevity. Signs your Jing is depleted.
Chronic exhaustion that sleep doesn't fix. Lower back pain, weak knees,
Poor memory. Difficulty learning.
premature aging, loss of sex drive or reproductive issues,
Thinning hair, poor bone density.
feeling like you have nothing left in the tank. How to cultivate Jing.
Sleep, the primary Jing restorer. 7 to 9 hours, non-negotiable.
Deep rest practices. Zuowang, restorative Qigong.
Kidney-nourishing foods. Bone broth, black sesame, walnuts.
Jing-building herbs. Hei Xiao Wu, deer antler, cordyceps.
Sexual energy conservation. Not abstinence, but awareness. Avoiding chronic stress, the fastest Jing depleter. Grounding practices, connecting with earth. The Taoist principle. Protect your Jing like your life depends on it. Because it does. Second treasure. Qi. Energy. Life force. Vitality. What is Qi?
If Jing is the battery, Qi is the electricity flowing from that battery. It's the daily energy that powers your moment-to-moment life.
In Western terms, it's related to metabolic energy, blood circulation, nerve conduction, immune function, the aliveness you feel right now.
Where is Qi?
Qi is centered in the middle dantian, your chest, heart area. But it flows everywhere through your meridians, the energy highways of the body. When Qi flows freely, you feel alive, energized, clear. When Qi is blocked, you feel stuck, tired, foggy.
The Qi metaphor.
Imagine a house. The battery, Jing, is in the basement. The electricity, Qi, flows through wires, meridians, to power everything. If the wiring is blocked, lights flicker. Appliances don't work. That's Qi stagnation. Good Qi flow. Everything works smoothly.
2 types of Qi.
Pre-heaven Qi, inherited from your Jing, limited. Post-heaven Qi, generated daily from breath and food, unlimited.
You can't get more pre-heaven Qi, but you can generate unlimited post-heaven Qi through breathing properly, eating well, Qigong practice, being in nature, joy and laughter. Signs your Qi is blocked or deficient.
Stagnant Qi, blocked. Feeling stuck emotionally or physically. Pain that's sharp or fixed in one place. Bloating, tightness, irritability, frustration.
Deficient Qi. Weak. Low energy. Fatigue. Weak voice. Shortness of breath. Getting sick easily. No motivation. How to cultivate Qi. Breathing. The fastest Qi generator. Deep, slow, abdominal breathing.
Qigong literally means Qi work. All Qigong builds Qi.
Tai Chi moves Qi through gentle flowing movement. Fresh air and nature absorb environmental Qi.
Proper food,
especially warm, cooked, nourishing meals.
Acupressure and self-massage. Unblock meridians. Emotional release. Stuck emotions equals stuck qi. The Taoist principle, keep your qi moving. Stagnation is the root of disease. Third treasure, Shen. Shen, spirit, consciousness, the light of awareness itself.
What is Shen?
Shen is the most refined treasure. If Jing is the oil and Qi is the flame, Shen is the light that flame produces.
It's your consciousness, your awareness, your spirit, the you that's aware of being you. In Western terms, it's related to mental clarity, presence, emotional stability, the quality of consciousness, your spark.
Where is Shen?
Shen is housed in the upper dantian, your third eye area, between your eyebrows. But it's also said to live in the heart. When someone has strong Shen, you can see it in their eyes. There's a brightness, a presence, a quality that's hard to describe, but impossible to miss.
The Shen metaphor.
Imagine consciousness as light. When Shen is strong, the light is bright, clear, focused. You're present, aware, sharp.
When Shen is weak or scattered, the light is dim or flickering. You're foggy, distracted, anxious, depressed.
Signs your Shen is scattered or deficient. Constant mental chatter. Anxiety, inability to be present. Difficulty focusing. Insomnia from racing thoughts. Feeling disconnected from yourself.
Deficient Shen, depression, lack of joy, no spark in the eyes, emotional numbness, lack of direction or purpose, feeling like the lights are on, but nobody's home.
How to cultivate Shen. Meditation, the primary Shen cultivation. All meditation trains Shen. Single-pointed focus. Any practice requiring attention. Beauty and inspiration. Art, nature, music.
Reduce stimulation. Less screens. Noise. Chaos.
Sleep. Shen is restored in deep sleep.
Spiritual practice. Prayer. Contemplation. Connection. Presence. Being fully here. Now.
The Taoist principle. Calm the Shen. Scattered Shen is scattered life.
Now here's where it gets profound. The three treasures transform into each other.
Jing to Qi to Shen.
In normal life, this is the natural flow.
Your Jing transforms into Qi. Your Qi refines into Shen. You're born with Jing. It generates your daily Qi. Your Qi, when refined through practice, produces clear Shen.
This is cultivation. This is alchemy. You're transforming gross matter into subtle consciousness. Shen to Qi to Jing, descending reverse cultivation. But advanced Taoists practice reverse cultivation. Through meditation, you gather Shen back into stillness. That concentrated Shen transforms back into Qi, energy. That Qi, when stored, actually replenishes Jing, essence. This is how masters look young at 70. They're not just preventing Jing loss, they're using their consciousness to rebuild it. The goal isn't to maximize any one treasure, it's to balance all three. Strong Jing, weak Qi. Great foundation, no energy to use it. Strong Qi, weak Shen, lots of energy, no direction or clarity. Strong Shen, weak Jing, sharp mind, fragile body. You need all three. Balanced, flowing, supporting each other. Morning, cultivate Qi, Qigong, breathing, movement. Midday, use Qi, work, create, engage with life. Evening, cultivate Shen, meditation, stillness, presence. Night, restore Jing, deep sleep, rest, restoration. This daily cycle maintains all three treasures. Three treasures, three levels of your life force. Everything you do in Taoist practice serves these three. Now, when you do Qigong, you know you're building Qi from Jing. When you meditate, you know you're cultivating Shen. When you sleep deeply, you know you're restoring Jing. You're not just doing exercises. You're cultivating your fundamental life force at three distinct levels. Each day, check in with your three treasures. Am I deeply rested? Do I have reserves? Is my energy flowing? Do I feel alive? Is my mind clear? Am I present? If any treasure is depleted, you now know what to do. Next episode, the lower Dantian, feeling the center. Now that you know what the three treasures are, we're going to practice feeling them directly, starting with Jing in the lower Dantian. If this episode gave you a new understanding of what you're cultivating, please like this video. And subscribe if you haven't. Turn on notifications. We're 4 episodes into advanced practice, with many more profound teachings ahead. I understand the three treasures. Or tell me which treasure you need to focus on cultivating. Thank you for practicing with me. I'll see you in the next episode. Jing is your foundation. Qi is your life. Shen is your light. Cultivate all three.